Welcome to Oracle Content and Experience, your content hub in the cloud. Conversations in Oracle Content and Experience allow you to collaborate with other people by discussing topics and posting comments in real time. The Conversations page shows a list of all conversations you currently participate in. You can sort your conversations by name, last update, or number of unread messages. Filter the list to see only the conversations you've marked as favorites or ones that you've muted or closed. To start a new conversation, click Create and provide a name for the conversation. Your new conversation will appear in your list on the main page. After you create a new conversation, it's empty. To post your first message, enter the message and submit it. You can use some basic formatting such as bold, italics, and underline, or attach a file if you want. The icons at the top show how many people are currently participating in the conversation. When you start a new conversation, you'll initially be the only participant, so you'll want to invite other people to join. Click the plus icon to add members. Search for names, email addresses, or groups to get the conversation going. All members can add new messages to a conversation or reply to existing ones. In addition to standalone conversations, you can also start a conversation about an entire folder and its contents. Move into the folder and click the panel icon to open the conversation for that folder. Add a comment to start the conversation or read comments from others. You can also start a conversation about a specific file or asset. View the file or asset and then click the panel icon to open the conversation panel and get started. If a conversation is associated with a particular file, a conversation icon appears with that file on the main Documents page in List and Grid views. You can click that icon to show or hide the conversation for that file. If a conversation is about a file or a file is attached to a conversation, all participants can view that file and add annotations. While viewing a file, click the speech bubble to enter Annotation Mode so you can start adding comments to the file. These annotations become part of the conversation and other participants can comment on them. If you want to draw other people's attention to a particular item in a conversation, you can flag them. To get started, click the flag icon. Then select one or more conversation participants and choose the action you want them to take. After you flag someone, they'll receive an email to point them to the item or to request a reply. You can see all your flags in one convenient list, so you can respond to the flags or clear them. Filter the list by flag type or sort it by flag or message date. All your conversations live in the cloud, so you can also view them and participate directly from your mobile devices. Simply tap the menu icon for an item and choose the conversation option. And if you're using the desktop app to sync your cloud content to your computer, you can even open conversations for any item straight from there. Conversations are a great way to collaborate with other people.